Oh, hi everybody, it's Tereese. Sorry, I was adjusting my camera here. Um, I am here to share my Christmas cards for 2024. Um, I make, you know, around 14 cards. I'm going to make more Christmas cards this year, but I want to do something other than the same one. I want to do some different ones for some friends. And but I wanted to come on real quick and share this with you. So it's a really simple card, but I love it. Um, I use some 110 cardstock, white cardstock. I layered some Dollar Tree metallic paper, or it's like cardstock. It came in a set with silver, gold, blue, green, and red, I think. Um, and I used the silver. Then I embossed this dark blue cardstock, and I don't know if you could see it. Oh, there it is, a little bit. I used this embossing folder from Tereese. Cut out a spellbinder circle lace die. What's it called? I have it here. Lacy Circles. It's an oldie but goodie. I wanted to use this die this year, but it was too big for the card. So I had purchased this stamp set. I don't know where I purchased it. But this is from Echo Park Paper Company. I don't know if it was scrapbook.com. I don't know where I got it. But I love this set because it has the Holy Family, the Three Wise Men, an angel. There's two angels, actually. It has Merry Christmas, Oh Holy Night, Joy to the World, the stars are brightly shining. That's cool. Peace on earth, and here's another piece on earth. This one says, "Come, let us adore him. Jesus is the Lord." I just absolutely love this stamp set, and since this die was too big, I settled for the Holy Family, and I stamped that stamp with Knight of Navy from Stampin' Up, and I believe this is retired. I don't even think they have it. Maybe they do. I have no idea. But this was in my stash, and I thought I'd use it. And then I stamped Peace on Earth, and I heat emboss it with this is a Ranger Superfine Detail Silver, and I love how that turned out. And then I added some silver rhinestones to the star, and then beside the Peace on Earth. And then inside I stamped the Holy Night. The stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Love that. I just just love this card, and it was really quick and simple, and I can get it out now. So that is my card for 2024. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great holiday season, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.